friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we will learn how to generate this pattern which is 3 by 3 matrix using Java language. These horizontal lines are called as rows and vertical lines are called as columns. These are the numbers of rows and these are the numbers of columns. So to generate this pattern, let us start programming. This is our Java project. Within this is source folder and this is Java package. So to know how to create this project and packages, you can watch my previous video. Link is shared in description box. Now right click on this package, go to new and create class, which is our Java class. Now here we can give any name to our class. I am giving name as pattern as it is already exist. So we have to change the name. I am giving name as pattern 2. I have already created one class named as pattern and we cannot repeat the same name for different classes. So that I am using pattern 2. Don't give .java extension here. And now click here to include this main method in our class and say finish. So this is our Java program and we can start programming from here within the main method. So first of all we need to initialize our variables. For that I am using int row, column. So we can give any name to variables and we can use R and C instead of row and column as per our conveniency. Now here we need to add one more variable, that is counter, and we need to initialize it here itself. So for that count equals to 1. So now for loop, and our first for loop is for row. So for row is equals to 1, as our row started from 1. Row is less than and equals to 3, as there are 3 rows in our pattern, and row plus plus. So this is the syntax of for loop, that is for initialization semicolon condition semicolon incrementation or decrementation. Here this plus plus operator is an increment operator and for decrement we can use minus minus. Now within this for loop of row we have to take another for loop for column. So for column is equals to 1, as column is also started from 1. Column is less than and equals to 3, as there are 3 columns in our pattern, and column plus plus. Now here within this for loop of column we need to take SYSO control space, that is system.out.println, and here we don't need this ln as it is for new line, and if we take this ln in pattern program so we cannot generate our expected pattern. So here we need to give \t, which is called as tab, and it is used for provide space. So we need to use plus operator, which is for concatenation. Now whatever we want to type within that pattern we have to type here. So we need to print this count as, look, 1 2 3. So we need to increment this count. So that's why we need to give counter plus plus after printing count. So after that we need to give count plus plus. Now come out of the for loop of column, and as we need to change the row, here within the for loop of row we need to type SYSO control space, that is system.out.println \n for new line. Now save program with Ctrl S. Now go here and run program, and we can check our output from console. So look, we achieve our expected pattern as an output. And for this square, to generate this square shape we used our for loops. So our first for loop was for row, that is row is equals to 1 and less than equals to 3, and row plus plus. So we generate this part. Then for column is equals to 1, column is less than equals to 3, and column plus plus. For with that we generate this much part, and we use that for loop to generate this square. And to generate these elements we to print these elements we used counter part. So that's how we can generate this pattern using Java language. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And that's all about today guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.